RYOBI 40-volt HP Brushless 2-stage 24-inch snowblower assembly and start guide. Unpacking. Carefully remove the product and any accessories from the box. Inspect the tool carefully to make sure no breakage or damage occurred during shipping. Do not discard the packing material until you have carefully inspected and satisfactorily operated the tool. If any parts are damaged or missing, please call 1-800-525-2579 for assistance. Installing the upper handle assembly. Carefully slide the upper handle into the rails on the snowblower. Align the holes in the upper handle with the holes in the rails at the desired height. Insert the bolts through the holes in the handle and rails. You can adjust the height of the handles with the 5 different hole settings. Make sure you use the same height setting for each side. Install the handle knobs and tighten till secure. Repeat for the other side. Installing the chute deflector and U-bar into the support poles. Insert the poles of the U-bar and chute deflector inside the support poles. Align the holes in the U-bar to the holes in the support pole. Align the chute deflector with the base before installing the bolts. Insert the bolts through the holes in the U-bar. Place the nuts on the bolts and tighten securely. Locate the chute deflector cable. Align the keyhole on the deflector cable with the stud on the chute deflector and slide down to secure the cable. Press down and hold the chute deflector, then install the metal barrel pin into the clip to lock it into position. Securing the cables. One power cable is located on the right side of the unit, and the 3 chute and deflector cables are located on the left side of the unit. Route the power cable through the cord retainer on the right side of the handle. Repeat this step on the left side of the handle with the 3 chute and deflector cables. Make sure all 3 cables are secure in the lower retainer. Then direct the 3 cables upward towards the top of the support pole, then repeat this step with the 2 chute cables. Insert the deflector cable into the cord clip on top of the chute deflector. Then align the indicator line with the cord clip. Installing and removing the battery packs. To install the battery packs, raise the battery cover. To use the snowblower, there must be at least 2 40-volt batteries on either the left side, pair A, or the right side, pair B. For optimal performance, install 4 40-volt battery packs 4 amp hour or greater. See the control panel video to learn how to start and stop the RYOBI 40-volt HP Brushless 2-stage 24-inch snowblower. Need additional help? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579.